Okay, so today we're going to look at what you do if you get this message when you try to download something in Downloader on your Fire TV Stick or Fire TV Cube. Stick around, all the details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So you're basically getting this message because you haven't given Downloader permission to install unknown apps. If you've got an older Fire Stick, then you might see this message: APK downloaded but not installed because the Fire TV option, apps from unknown sources, is turned off under settings. Press the home button, that's the picture of the house on the remote control, to make sure that you're back to the home screen, and then go across all the way to the right to the settings cog. Once that's highlighted, then go down to My Fire TV, then press the middle button on the remote, and then you're looking for developer options. Now, if, like mine, you don't see it, then all you need to do is go into About, and then find the name of your device and highlight it. Like mine says Fire TV Stick 4K, yours may say something different. Just press the middle button on the remote control until you see "No need, you're already a developer" come up at the bottom of the screen. Then stop pushing the middle button. Then press the back button on the remote, and there you should see developer options just below About. Go down to developer options, middle button, and then go down to apps from unknown sources. If it's set to off, like mine is, middle button on the remote control, middle button again, and then it goes to on. If you've got install unknown apps instead of apps from unknown sources, then all you need to do is highlight install unknown apps, middle button on the remote control, go down to Downloader, and if it's switched off like mine, middle button, and that turns it on. Then keep pressing the back button until you get back to the main menu. So some of you may be thinking, well, why has he gone the long way round? Why didn't he just go into settings when that come up? Well, basically, because some people might have only just set up their Fire Stick and they may have not unhidden developer options. So going settings, directing into settings wouldn't allow you to turn on apps from unknown sources or allow you to allow Downloader to download apps from unknown sources directly. You have to enable developer options first of all, and unfortunately you have to go the long way around it to do that. Once developer options is unleashed, then you're fine. You can just go into settings and enable that again if you need to at a later date, but this shouldn't ever switch off. So the next thing to do, go back into Downloader, go back to the site or the download that you was trying to download, and with any luck, this time it should download, and once it's downloaded, it should then allow you to install it. Let's give it a try. And yes, there you go. It's now installed. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon: Fire TV Sticks, Fire TV Cubes, and VPNs. Buying, subscribing and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X. I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website. It's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching and speak to you again soon.